I would like to announce the second lower group winner school is St. Anthony High School, Malad. Group leader is Sai Fernandez. Team member is present.
नहीं समझे हैं वो हमें
तो क्या जाता है हमारी बाजी
Right
को
teacher Sonia
जीतना हमें आता है
and the special principal is Sarita Ji. Heartiest congratulations to all the winners. Over to you, Vanita ma'am.
Thank you, Vaishali ma'am. And my heartiest congratulations to all the winners, the students, the teachers, the principal, and yes, the school. It's a teamwork. I now request Dr. Mohite sir to please announce the winners for the higher group of the NCSC at the state level. Over to you, sir.
थँक्यू मॅम.
Welcome.
आताच आपण सर्वांनी पाहिलं की राष्ट्रीय बाल विज्ञान परिषदेमध्ये मुंबईतील एकूण 5 प्रकल्पाची निवड झाली आणि या 5 प्रकल्पामध्ये काही उत्कृष्ट जे प्रकल्प आहेत त्या उत्कृष्ट प्रकल्पाचं जी पारितोषिक प्राप्त आहे त्यांचे सादरीकरण इथे आता आपण दाखवतो की कोणत्या शाळेला हे प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्युशन मिळालेलं आहे. Just a minute. Himali ma'am, can you share the screen?
Yes, of course, sir.
Yes, ma'am. You share the screen. It will take time. So
It doesn't matter. I'll
try some. राष्ट्रीय बाल विज्ञान परिषदेमध्ये आपण जो मोठा गट आहे या मोठ्या गटामध्ये प्रथम पारितोषिक जे जात आहे ते आरसी पटेल हायस्कूल. काही टीचर आहेत हिमाली जोशी मॅडम, प्रिन्सिपल कल्पना दवे, ग्रुप लीडर श्रेयस यादव, टीम मेंबर कमलेश मंडाल, काही टीचर हिमाली जोशी मॅडम, प्रिन्सिपल कल्पना दवे मॅडम, that is the first prize, that is from the RC Patel High School. I'll move to the certificate and medal they received. They are the all state awardees by group. I'll move to the second prize winner. That is State GH High School from the higher group. High teacher Mithila Sawant, group leader Pooja Chawda, team member Pooja Rathod, high teacher Mithila Sawant ma'am, principal Mrs. Chetna Oja ma'am, the second prize of the State GH High School. The certificate and the medal. I'll move to the third prize in the higher group. AB Goregaonkar English High School with the guide teacher, team leader members and the principal. Group leader Pankaj Khedwade. Team member Rajnandini Kadam. Guide teacher Archana Nagre ma'am.
घायल परिंदा है तू, दिखला दे जिंदा है तू,
Principal ma'am.
है तुझ में हौसला,
Certificate and the medal they received
की आगे
for the same.
अंबर पर
Congratulations to all the winners of the higher group. Thank you very much. Over to Vanita ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations to all the lower group students and to the higher group. I'm sure from this platform of NCSC, we are going to have some future scientists. Thank you, Jadar sir, for giving us this platform. A coordinator plays an important role in the success of an event. A coordinator is a person who is in charge of planning, facilitating the occurrence of event and event collaborating it with the students and teachers, the dignitaries for the smooth functioning and the success of the event. We shall now have a glimpse of our dedicated team of coordinators from the 3 zones of Mumbai and our OCMs of NCSC. So over to you now, Aparna ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
सुस्वागतम सुस्वागतम. आता आपण राष्ट्रीय बाल विज्ञान परिषद मुंबई विभागाचे जिल्हा समन्वयक आणि कार्यकारी सभासद यांच्या सत्कारास सुरुवात करूया. सर्वप्रथम राष्ट्रीय बाल विज्ञान परिषद मुंबई विभागाचे अध्यक्ष आणि प्रमुख जिल्हा समन्वयक श्री बाळासाहेब जाधव सर यांचा सत्कार मुंबई पश्चिम विभागाचे शिक्षण निरीक्षक माननीय नितीनजी बचाव सर करतील. जाधव सरांचं अभिनंदन तसेच माननीय बचाव सर यांचे आभार मानते. तुम्हाला माहित आहे का, नॅशनल चिल्ड्रन सायन्स काँग्रेस हा उपक्रम मुंबईच्या 3 विभागातून राबविला जातो. या विभागासाठी 2 जिल्हा समन्वयकाची नियुक्ती करण्यात आली आहे. प्रथम साऊथ मुंबई म्हणजेच दक्षिण मुंबईच्या जिल्हा समन्वयकांचा सत्कार माननीय श्री संदीप पाटील साहेब ADE पश्चिम मुंबई हे करतील. पहिले नाव आहे श्रीमती वैशाली देशपांडे साधना विद्यालय सायन्स आणि दुसरे समन्वयक आहेत हरहुन्नर डॉक्टर संजय मोहिते सर DS हायस्कूल सायन्स. दोघांचेही अभिनंदन आणि तसेच संदीप पाटील साहेब यांचे आभार. आता पश्चिम मुंबईच्या जिल्हा समन्वयकांचा सत्कार माननीय मुख्याध्यापक संजय पाटील सर निमंत्रक R ईस्ट वॉर्ड हे करतील. पहिले आहेत बाल विकास विद्या मंदिरच्या मुख्याध्यापिका श्रीमती सुशीला पाटील मॅडम आणि दुसरे समन्वयक आहेत विद्यानिधी ज्युनियर कॉलेज ऑफ सायन्सचे श्री शैलेश सुतार सर. या दोघांचेही अभिनंदन तसेच श्री संजय पाटील सरांचे आभार व्यक्त करते. आता सेठ GH हायस्कूलच्या मुख्याध्यापिका श्रीमती चेतना ओझा मॅडम या उत्तर मुंबईच्या जिल्हा समन्वयकांचा सत्कार करतील. श्री जाधव सर हे उत्तर मुंबईचे काम पाहतात. त्याचबरोबर उदंचल हायस्कूलच्या श्रीमती राधिका सुर्वे या देखील उत्तर मुंबईच्या जिल्हा समन्वयक आहेत. या दोघांचेही अभिनंदन आणि ओझा मॅडमचे आभार. राष्ट्रीय बाल विज्ञान परिषदेच्या शिक्षक प्रशिक्षक वर्ग ते प्रत्येक प्रकल्पाचे सादरीकरण असलेले बाल विज्ञान परिषद या प्रवासात विविध कामाचे अनेक टप्पे आहेत. यासाठी आमच्या कार्यकारिणीचे सभासद सतत कार्यरत असतात. त्यांच्या या योगदानाचे देखील कौतुक केले पाहिजे. माननीय बचाव साहेब या सर्वांचे अभिनंदन आणि सत्कार करतील. आमचे हे सदस्य आहेत श्रीमती अनिता किशन, वैशाली सोनवणे, शिवाजी महाजन, मेघा राणी, प्रीती तिवारी, साक्षी भोटे, शीतल चौधरी, वर्षा जगताप आणि रेखा शानबाग. या सर्वांचे अभिनंदन आणि आजच्या कार्यक्रमास उपस्थित राहून कार्यक्रमाची शोभा वाढवल्याबद्दल मान्यवरांचे आभार.
Thank you, ma'am. It was really like watching a movie in some galaxy. It was really very nice. Thank you, Aparna, ma'am. Now,
Thank you, ma'am.
welcome, ma'am. All right. And it was really good to see a glimpse of entire team of dedicated the coordinators, UOCMs for the NCSC. Now, with a great pleasure and pride, I have a good news to share with all of you. I'm sure all of you would want to listen to it, right? All right. Here the news is, are the most respected and adored, and I would say even if I call him as an apple of an eye of the NCSC, I'm sure my all my colleagues will occur. Yes, I'm talking about the president of the National Children's Science Congress, the Mumbai division, Shri Bibi Jadhav Sarji. He was felicitated by the hands of Honorable Governor of Maharashtra, Shri Bhagat Singh Ji Koshari, on 19th July 2021. We shall now watch a short film of this function, but I'm sure he deserves a big round of applause. So here, Jadhav sir, this is for you.
Yes, sir.
So good, sir. We are happy to be under your guidance. Yes, Mohite sir, you can have the video display.
Madam, can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
दिनांक 19 जुलै 2021 रोजी राजभवन मलबार हिल येथील भव्य दालनात श्री बीबी जाधव सरांचा महाराष्ट्राचे राज्यपाल महामहिम भगतसिंगजी कोश्यारी यांच्या हस्ते सत्कार करण्यात आला. प्राणुभूती फाउंडेशन आणि हिंदू फाउंडेशन यांच्या संयुक्त विद्यमाने स्पिरिट ऑफ ह्युमॅनिटी कोरोना योद्धा पुरस्कार राज्यपालांच्या हस्ते देण्यात आले. श्री जाधव सरांनी कोरोना महामारीच्या काळात त्रस्त, संभ्रमित आणि उदासीन बनत चाललेल्या विद्यार्थ्यांचे मानसिक स्वास्थ्य आणि मनोधैर्य टिकून ठेवण्यासाठी सुरू ठेवलेल्या विज्ञान प्रकल्प निर्मिती स्पर्धा, शैक्षणिक लघुपट स्पर्धा आणि असीम ज्ञानवाहिनी या यूट्यूब चॅनलच्या माध्यमातून प्रसारित केलेल्या 41 व्हिडिओच्या सहाय्याने केलेल्या शैक्षणिक कार्याची दखल घेऊन त्यांचा राज्यपालांच्या हस्ते पुरस्कार देऊन सत्कार करण्यात आला.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. It was really overwhelming to see Jadhav sir. Please, sir, accept our heartiest congratulations and heartfelt gratitude, sir, from the entire team. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right. Now, one more announcement before we are come to the concluding part of our program. This is an announcement regarding the medals and certificates, how the prize winners will be getting. And this is for both, for the film festival and for the NCSC. All the prize, everyone is aware that this was our online Zoom meeting that we are having. And the real certificates and medals will be available in SAFE GH High School as per the following program. You can send any authentic person of your school to get your prizes. The venue is SAFE GH High School and Junior College, Borivali East, near Sukurwadi Bus Depot, MG Road, on the ground floor. The dates for the collection of your medal and certificates is 2nd August to 4th August, and the timing is 11:30 to 1:30, 11:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. You need to contact the following teachers. Shaileja Thakkar, her contact number is, you can please note down, 9892 621009. I repeat, Shaileja Thakkar, her contact number is 9892 621009. And Mamta Shetty, her contact number is 99482044425. I repeat, the contact number of Mamta Shetty is 9482044425. This was regarding the collection of the medals and the certificates. I now call upon Vaishali ma'am for the vote of thanks. Vaishali ma'am, over to you.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you all for your presence and also to grace the occasion. Respected Sri Nitin Bachao Sahib, respected Sri Sandeep Patil Sahib, and respected Sanjay Patil Sahib and Principal Chetna Oza ma'am. We also thank to the Education Department for issuing the circulars about the NCC to all the schools. Thank you also to respected Baby Zadavji sir for organizing today's wonderful program and as a head guiding us and motivating us for the good work throughout the year. Thanks to the principal of Mumbai and their technical staff for giving us wholehearted support in our various activities like teacher trainings, conducting scrutiny round, and final round of NCSC and Science Education Short Film Festival. These schools are Vivekanand English Medium High School Kurla Est, Vidyanidhi Marathi Medium High School Juhu, and VPM Vidya Mandir Dahisar. We also thank to the organizing committee of Short Film Festival and NCC activity too. Each one of us took the responsibilities given to them, was done promptly to make today's function a grand success. Special thanks to Dr. Sanjay Mohite sir, Hemali ma'am, and Megha Rani madam for their help. Special thanks to Hemali madam again for arranging and sponsoring medals and certificates. Our sincere thanks for Shri Rupak More sir for giving us a warm and live welcome song and Vigyan Geet and our national song. Last but not the least, our heartfelt thanks to our all contestant students, teachers, and the principals because of whom we are here. Thanks to one and all who has participated their contribution in Short Film Festival and NCC work. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
We now come to the closure of this event, and for this, I request Sandeep Teli sir from Pragya Bodhni High School, please have the national song for us. Sir, please.
Yes, good evening, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you
Yes,
are.
sir.
Good evening, sir. You are.
Yeah. So, shall I start, Vande Mataram?
Yes, sir, please.
Yes, sir.
Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Sujalam Supalam Malayaj Shitalam Sashashamala Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram Shubrajosna Pulakitayamini Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobhini Suhasini Sumadhura Bhashini Sukhadam Varadam Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
I think from today our independence celebrations will start with this song. It was beautiful, very melodious, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Jadhav sir, would you like to please address us? Because without your words, this function is incomplete, sir. So please. You have to unmute yourself, sir. Unmute yourself. Yes, sir.
Actually, all of you know my problem. Otherwise, I would not be keep mum till now. Right from the beginning, I would have been commenting something, and continuing making live the whole program. But as I am having the voice problem, I have stopped talking less and allowing others to talk, so that even though what is the aim is, the show must go on. In that way, what I am observing now is the show has been successfully started and conducted only because in between some troubles are there. If we ignore it, other program was very nice. I would always thankful to education department, to our NCSC team, who are always coming together to make every function successful. The same thing all of you shown today also. So today's program was quite uh, busy, no, not busy, what we can say, full of event things, voluminous. Even though in a very short time, all the items are covered in time, systematically, in order, in short and sweet way and effective way. And this is our aim. Without taking much more time, valuable time of others, we have to give the best of our performance to the viewers. In that way, actually, this is my unofficial talk now, because when Vande Mataram is over, the program is over, only Vanita Madam asked me to say something, so I am talking. So I am really thankful, because being, even though we are at distance and no ways of communication, no opportunity to come near uh, together and have meetings, even though only on WhatsApp messages and Zoom meetings 2 to 3 times. We planned the program, allotted the work, and everybody have given the best of their possible. Actually, so many videos were there, and to make videos is really the tedious job, time taking job, lengthy job. Though all videos were presented very nice. Mohita sir communicated. Now he is master in conducting the Zoom meeting. He knows each and everything, every part of the Zoom meeting. And so he also helped well and conducted and coordinated all of us to give such as a continuous program. Then I will have to thank Himali Madam also. She has done many videos. Almost all videos she has prepared. And every video was spectacular and wonderful video, which enhanced the effect of the program. But do you know what is main thing we missed? Do you know?
No, sir.
What, sir?
Because no, I was not talking anything because if all others' voices are more, my voice is very low. If I started to speak no, then also nobody can hear it. So I kept mum. Alex sir, you have not taken the speeches of guest. Guest speeches are, and I saw the list afterwards. In the first part, guest was present, but in second part, guests were not present. So also, what happened is good thing. You have not declared it, not announced it. It happened to be for best only, good thing only. But that point was not covered in our program. Then one important thing is that okay, what I will do. See, at the end, I will thank all participants, students, teachers, principals for their every year's cooperation. And I request them to take part this year also in large quantity. And then now what we'll do, we will let all other contestants here or students, teachers, with due respect, with most of the thanks to them, maximum, we will declare that the program is over for them and they can, with honor, they can leave the program. We are very much thank you for your presence also and taking part also. And if our committee members can wait for 5 minutes, then we will conclude. All of us.
Okay, sir.
So we will wait for 5 minutes.
Okay, okay, sir. We are there.
Okay, sir.
Very much. And a very a happy weekend to all of you. Have a great day. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Madam, we can do one thing. We can end the meeting and only the OCM members on the same meeting can join us, so it can be fast. Will it do?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So I'll end it and you can rejoin again in 1 or 2 seconds. No problem.
Yes.
Okay, okay, sir.